I don't know. I mean, my mother thought it would die out. And in one sense, she said, let it die out. You know, the world is gone, the country is gone, the people are gone, let it die out. This is just, I remember the son of a friend of ours who was, one of them went out and taught Yiddish in, I think in Oregon or something. And she said, oh, what the hell is this doing this for? Who wants it? Who needs it? And wer braucht es? and he later became very eminent. I won't mention his name. And then there was another one who was the son of a good friend of ours. Again, there was a Yiddish paper in Montreal. Oh, by the way, my mother was a subscriber to the Forwards, the Daily, and there was a Yiddish paper, the Canada Odla. And so we always got the Canada Odla and Forwards and Montreal Star. And occasionally a French paper. His son decided to go into Yiddish theater, and he moved with his wife and young kid to New York to go work in Yiddish theater. And again, my mother's reaction was, what a waste. He's a talented guy, what's that for? And this is a lover of Yiddish. So she didn't have the sense of maintain the continuity of Yiddish. Her sense was Yiddish was fated to die out. And, you know, it's sort of a little bit like a relative you see who is on life preservers. Cut them off. I mean, you know, it's time. It's time. I mean, it's fine as long as they're conscious of doing things. She goes to Evo, she supports it, this, that. But none of this illusion that life, that this fancy new antibiotic will bring you back to life.
And what do you think?
I don't know. I don't see the future of Yiddish as what I would consider a living language. A living language is a language you speak when you go to a store, that you speak at home, that you speak with your friends. Not your only language, but a living language. I mean, Farsi is a living language in some parts of the world, and among immigrants. I don't see that in America, and I don't see that in Israel. Though I don't know Israel that well, visits and reading about it, it's obvious.